Sometimes the best adventure starts with a simple yes. It all started when I said yes to LIMA, the airshow held every 2 years on Langkawi Island, where military forces from all around the world taking part. It was an experience like no other. But let's go back to the beginning. Planning for the trip is a step that I often don't skip, and that also means booking the accommodations, which were crazy expensive because of the airshow. So I decided to grab my tent and move on. I wanted to make this happen that bad.
Let's do this.
Langkawi is always one of my favorite places to be in, but this time it was different. It wasn't calm like most days, it was chaotic, filled with crowded places, which makes things kinda expensive. And there were a lot of walking involved, because I am not willing to spend my time in traffic or spend a lot of money.
Just got this motorbike after walking from the airport for 1 hour and I couldn't find a motorbike, so I had to walk. Finally got this. Now the goal is to take my camp and just set up camp for the night, and tomorrow morning we start early.
Riding motorbike in Langkawi is one of my favorite things to do. Away from all the hustle, I decided to camp the night on the other side of the island, and it was a good decision because I really needed that.
Alright guys, we are here right on time for the maritime performance. Wow! I'm here at the maritime event. Multiple agencies taking part in this. Just now the customs were doing their performance. There are multiple vessels and you can see a lot of high-ranking officials, pilots and everyone coming together performing this amazing show for everybody, and I just got some crazy good shots. There's a lot of things to see, but what I'm really excited about is the air show, which is gonna happen from 12:30 to 2:30. So the weather is not on the best side. It's raining, the clouds are coming in from the back, so yeah, hopefully it goes well. We have made it to the first location, which is up there on the hill, and not many people know this. The air show is about to start 12:30 p.m. I'm ready, super excited, and hopefully we get a good view up from here. And there's also another location, but the air show goes on for only 2 hours, so we don't have much time to go to many locations, but here it goes. He's stalling. Come on. Let's go! Go, 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 go! The photographer. Photo? Yeah. Ada pass? No, no pass. It's behind. Wow, I think, guys, I found the spot. Oh, this is amazing. Look at that formation. So beautiful. Oh my God. This is, I think, honestly, way better than any other spot I could find. There's nothing obstructing me. All right, next location, let's go. Oh, I missed that. What? Look at that. It's so crazy, and you don't have a lot of time, so let's get it. Shoot. Yeah, man, I hope we can get through. How beautiful the weather is. Here we are. Gotta find a spot over here, honestly. Location number 3, I think this is the best spot right here. There is like pretty open sky and they're doing their stunts right here. So it's gonna be amazing. Waiting for the next aircraft.
Watching these beautiful aircrafts tear through the sky, it felt amazing. And it also reminded me why I did this in the first place. As a filmmaker, that's what I like the most, the process, the adventure.
This little aircraft is doing crazy stunts, man. Look at that. Oh my god. I would say that's a success, guys. That was amazing. The water is so hot. Wow, I am sunburned, guys. That concludes our Lima 2025 trip. Amazing performances by Black Eagle, Russian Knights, and just because of that, all of this trouble that I've been through yesterday, finding motorbike, walking all the way from the airport, couldn't find any transport, no accommodation. This was just all worth it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really had a blast. It was so nice. I'm so excited to go back and edit all of the footages. There's actually a couple of warships right behind me, if you can see, and a submarine. That you don't get to see that every day, and that is why I came, because I wanted to capture that, and everything in action is just, there's no other feeling like it. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next one.